Meaning of European Union.
European Union.
European Union.
European Union.
European Union. The European Union, EU, is a political and economic union of 27 member states located in Europe. It was established in 1993 by the Maastricht Treaty, and has created a single market with the free movement of goods, services, people, and capital. The EU has its own currency, the euro, and a common foreign and security policy. The EU's main objectives include promoting peace, prosperity, and stability in Europe, as well as advancing environmental and social policies. The EU has also become a major global player in trade, development, and climate change negotiations.